Hey there, I'm Charlotte, the Gulf Coast Granny, and today is a glorious, glorious day. Let me tell you why. Today, my kids went back to school. Yay! And I have had so much time to work in my garden this morning. I have cleaned out so much and planted so many seeds, and I'm about to show you what I did. First off, I want to show you the rose garden. I de-weeded the entire thing, and today Poppy is going to stop at Lowe's and get me some mulch. I will never again try to plant flowers at the bottom of the rose bushes. It made a mess, so I learned a lesson. In this bed, I had some corn growing, but something ate every bit of it, just like it's eating the sweet potatoes here. Not exactly sure what it is. I think it's some sort of beetle, but that's okay. They're going to get sprayed tonight. So I took this bed and refurbished it a little bit, added some soil, put some fertilizer in, and we have collard greens, about 30 collard green plants that are going to be growing in there. I planted seeds this morning. Over here, I de-weeded this bed, have to add soil to it, so that's going to happen this weekend. In this small container where Hazel used to be, she died a tragic death, I ended up planting cucumbers. So they'll be growing up there. And these are just pickling cucumbers that I'm going to let grow for fall. In this little pot, I planted a little bit of borage. In this one is some lime basil. I've decided that since I had such good luck in the spring, I'm going to do some yellow squash and some zucchini. I'm just starting the seeds in these little 1-gallon grow bags. And whenever they get big enough, I will go ahead and plant them in the bigger beds. I also have started some Brussels sprouts over there. Now, these are the zinnias. They needed some fertilizer, so I fertilized them this morning. I'm hoping they do a little better. They kind of look a little bit leggy, so they might not be getting enough sun, but that's okay. I'm just going to let them grow and see what happens. Now, in this second kiddie pool bed, I planted some mustard greens. And I'm excited about those. I love mustard greens. They're my favorite. I also cleaned out that small bed. I'm going to try to plant some pole beans in there. I put some sunflowers back there in the back behind the sweet potatoes. Don't know if they'll grow in that spot because it doesn't get a lot of sun. But the sun is starting to move south again. Right now, the sun is basically on the other side of the fence right there. As it moves behind me towards the south, the sun will shine on the fence all day. The only thing left that needs to be done right now is to clean this bed out. I did plant some sweet dumpling squash down here on this end. 2 of them have come up. One is over there in the corner struggling. So I planted a few more seeds this morning right in the same spot, and hopefully they'll come up soon. Oh, I wanted to show y'all this. Do you see that leaf and that leaf? Kind of red, same color as the dirt almost. Those are called Cranberry Hibiscus. And this is a lemongrass cutting. Y'all, I had to come inside to do this part of the video because it is blazing hot out there. So now I'm going to tell you where I got the lemongrass and the cranberry hibiscus cuttings. I have a friend that I've known since I was in the 7th grade. We both met when we were about 12 years old, and we became fast friends, and we've been besties ever since. She married her high school sweetheart, and they bought some land on a lake in Florida. Well, they've retired to that land on the lake in Florida, and she has a 5,000 square foot garden, and she grows vegetables, of course, but in addition to that, she has trees and shrubs and flowering vines, succulents, heirloom roses, any kind of lily you would want, amaryllis bulbs, and she sells them in her Etsy store, and it's called Cindy's Playground. And I'd really like to encourage you to go check out her Etsy shop if you're in the market for something like that. I will put a link to her store down below in the description, and now we'll get back to the video. So that's all that's going on in the garden today, but I feel extremely accomplished having done all of that work. It's been a while since I've been able to get out here and really work because It's been summertime. It's been too hot. The kids have been home and just a lot of other obligations, you know. So here we go again. It's about to be the fall season. School has started, which is amazing. And this garden's going to be up and running again real soon. Thanks a lot for joining me. Y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon. All right?